This video will give you some tips on how to successfully latch. First, make yourself comfortable with your baby. Then, tickle baby's nose with your nipple. When he opens his mouth wide, approach him towards you while supporting his neck without pushing on his head. Then, press your shoulders back. Avoid leaning forward, this may cause a shallow latch. Here are some signs of optimal latching. Baby's nose is clear. His chin touches the breast. His lips are turned out and there are no sucking noises such as a click of the tongue. Also, you do not feel any pain when you're breastfeeding. And when your baby pulls out of the breast, your nipple is not misshapen. Here is an example of a poor latch. The baby's nose touches the breast, the chin is exposed, and the lips are not turned out. In addition, the baby opens his mouth very little. This type of latch can lead to nipple injuries. Also, it can affect the milk transfer to your baby. The asymmetrical latch. This type of latch allows better milk transfer. If you have persistent pain during feedings, it can be beneficial to you. The symmetrical and asymmetrical latch have some differences. By using the asymmetrical latch, baby's mouth covers more the lower part of the breast. And also, it is normal that the baby's lower lip covers more the areola than the upper lip. We can observe that the baby's nose is free, his chin is in the breast, and his head is slightly extended. In order to achieve an asymmetrical latch, it is important to tickle baby's nose and wait for him to open his mouth wide. Then, slide your baby to the opposite side to create a slight extension of his head. This way, your baby will have a deeper latch, and it will help to increase the milk transfer. Do not hesitate to contact us if you require breastfeeding support or for any other information. Thank you to the Deputy Mrs. Chantal Soucy, our sponsors for this video.